we take up three interrelated issues for female patients. The first one is urethritis, a common disorder in women. It is the word given to inflammation of the urethra. Because the length of the female urethra is small, infection travels from the bladder above or from the vagina below. It can be acute, it can be chronic. The symptoms are more than normal frequency of urine, burning and pain while passing urine. The sexual intercourse is painful. Aconite 30 comes handy in acute cases when there is a sudden development of the problem. There is tenesmus and burning in the neck of the bladder in urethra. The urine is red, hot and painful. When there is edema of the labia, that is the labia is swollen and the swelling is relieved with cold water. When the last drops burn and smart. When the urine is frequent and involuntary and stinging, Apis 200 is of great help. To begin with, in cases of urethritis, one can use Cantharis 200. The bladder is inflamed. There are violent paroxysms of cutting pain and burning in the entire area, in and around urethra. Simultaneously, Aconite 30 should be used. The patient would get immediate relief. In such cases, there would be intolerable urging, tenesmus, urine will drop by drop, the urine scalds. In case the urinary stream is split and small, it's painful and frequent in small quantities, followed by severe cutting pain. There is a sudden desire always, urgent, it cannot be controlled. Intercourse is painful. In such cases, Thuja 200 comes handy. The second issue that I take up is varicose veins, which are swollen and distorted veins, quite visible, lying just beneath the skin, mainly in the legs. It happens during pregnancy. The veins are purple, sensitive to touch, but relieved by pressure. The veins are visible to eye. Use Lachesis 200 with great effect. When varicose veins appear on vulva, use Lycopodium 200. In case there are ulcers oozing black blood that coagulates easily, Pulsatilla 30 is the remedy. The third issue that I take up in this video is warts, which are small, hard, abnormal growths on the skin. I am talking of the warts on vulva in this context, on the pelvic floor, cauliflower like excrescences on vagina, on cervix, spongy tumors, carbuncles, ulcers on genitals. All these symptoms respond to Thuja 200. Listen carefully, choose wisely, you would get instant help. Thank you.